In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from a shortcut on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat application, and here first you may take a photo, or you may tap right here at memories icon and select some from your camera roll. I'll select that one, then hit on arrow icon, and now it shows me my 3 shortcuts that I created before and the shortcuts button. And all I have to do in order to remove someone from existing shortcuts is right here, tap at shortcuts button. It shows me that options and it gives me the ability to edit those shortcuts, and right here I can just tap at any of the shortcuts, and right here I can see check marked persons, and in any time I can uncheck mark any of them, and also right here I can check mark some people that I want to add to that specific shortcut. And once I finished, I can just hit on save, and then I can use that shortcut to send my snap to that specific group of people. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.